Good morning, student of class 7. Today we will start English grammar. Your first chapter is alphabet fun. Alphabet fun actually is starting off your chapters. Alphabet fun related to sentence. Here description given sentence. Sentence, I think each classes means class 6 and 5th all you have studied what is sentence. Sentence means what? A group of words that makes complete sense. Group of word that is meaningful sentence. Any sentence what is complete meaning of words, that is sentence. Like Ram is going to school. Group of words, Ram is going to school. Group of word that makes complete sense, that is sentence. Okay, here check. Group of word that makes complete sense, that is. And here example given: the children of our school wear white uniform on Saturday. So there are some words, group of words. The children of our school wear white. It means what? It means all part of speech will be there, will be in sentence. Means subject, verb, and adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction. Okay, that is sentence. Now remember, here every sentence begins with a capital letter. All you know that at the end of you have to do full stop, question mark, and exclamation mark according to the sentence, and it has a subject and predicate. Every sentence, what? Every sentence it has a subject and its predicate. So here there are some left side, there are some words, 6 words are there, like classroom, for a long time, children in the East, Sunday, and respect elders. So you have to make a meaningful sentence, any meaningful, like one given to you, classroom. So sentence given, my classroom is very big. One complete meaning given. Now complete, for a long time. So you have to make a complete meaning. Children in the East, Sunday, respect elders, etc. are there. So it's easy. Children, suppose that children. So children play football in the field. In the East, very common thing. What in the East? Mean the sun. The sun rises in the East. Like this you have to complete. Okay. Now rearrange, section B is there. Rewrite the following sentences with correct punctuation mark. Means here there are some one sentence given, but it is not meaningful sentence. Means subject is in the last, in the between of the sentence, means zigzag, not right. So you have to make it meaningful sentence. Okay, and after meaningful sentence, and after you have to do full stop, question mark, exclamation mark, etc. Means question means how? Suppose that sentence is a complete meaningful sentence is, what is your name? So after that you have to do question mark. So, and suppose that sentence is, he goes to school, assertive sentence. You have to do here first stop. So now check first, what is the sentence, what is the words are there? Hurry, in, he, room, left, the. So what will be the meaningful sentence? Think about and try to. So what will be? He left the room in hurry. He left the room in hurry, and after that full stop you have to do. Second, you could a cup of tea get me for. So make a meaningful sentence. Try. Okay. Third is there, godliness is king next to. Next there are total 10 are there. Okay, it's an easy one. if you are making any problem, just send me not in the group, okay, my personal number, send it. And now, and after that, the sentence, check here, big circle is there. Sentence, it has two part, everyone you understand, sentence it has two part. First left side part is the subject, and one here showing the predicate. It means subject and predicate both are part of the sentence. Subject means, understand, noun or pronoun. Subject means noun or pronoun. Noun and definition and pronoun definition you understand. And rest part will be the predicate part. But only one thing you have to understand, what the subject. Subject you, if you will find, then rest part will be your predicate part. It's very easy to understand. Any sentence is there. Any sentence. Here check. When we talk in the subject, we will means when it tells about something about the predicate. Okay. So any sentence is there. Any sentence means the boys are making a noise. So what is the subject? Means noun or pronoun. Subject is the boys are making noise, that will be predicate part. So like this, check in the figure on page number 7. There are some sentence, like sentences, she played. So subject what is she what is pronoun, and played it is verb and predicate. Now next, we played cricket. We subject, rest part is predicate part. Predicate means played and cricket. So Anil also. Now section C, what to do? Encircle the subject and underline the predicate in the given sentence. It's very easy. Encircle, you have to do encircle the subject and underline the predicate part. We respect our teachers and elders. What is the subject here? We, and rest, we, that will be encircle, and respect our teacher and elders, it will be underlined. Like this you have to do. 6 sentences are there. Okay, it's your homework, and rest we will do tomorrow. Okay, thanks.